now we're back to the video. And now, this one, I'm going to review the dollhouse. And yeah, I'm going to bring it up here with my name. And you can open it and close it. You just open it this way, and then you close it this way. In the back, you have to close it. Oopsie. So if they leave, they use this door to come in. But I use this one as the backyard. So this part is broken. I lost the door, one kind of door, but I found one at my grandma's house. This is my regular house. Ah! Okay. And also, we're going to review of the things that came with it, except the dolls. I don't have the dolls. So there's just 2 twin couches, 1 couch with 2 pillows, and a piano. But you cannot play it. Cannot. It's plastic. Everything here is plastic. And then when it's time to go, when it's time to stop playing, you just put them where you want it to be. And then you put it all over. Not just one place, but all over. So it's better when you do it like this, so you can just, put it into place. And then stand it right back, and then you can put your toys in there too. And absolutely, you have to hide it from ages, from little, because you don't want them to take it. And they can swallow it. So this one, you put into bed. And put this one here. And then there's a lot to put away. So what about the last one? It would be here. And then when you close it, you just close it like this, very gently, because you don't want your dolls to smush out. And then the final, we'll be coming back.